Hello, welcome to Omnica, our health cloud powered by Soneium, Sequence, and Startail cloud services. Let me introduce Omnica. Basically, our theme is around integrated and secure medical care. So, integrated models expand healthcare reach and services, while payment gateways streamline secure finance transactions. Both these together can improve patient medical access and experience. So, today the problem is many of these transactions are distributed across the globe, and the financial accuracy, insurance companies, checks, and all these are becoming very difficult, and introducing Web3 into this picture is the way to go ahead. So Omnica is our D app built on Soneium chain and Startel cloud services. So some of the basic principles of Web3 itself can help improve the situation. Omnica is a multi-agent system built for five primary purposes. The first one being secure transactions on Soneium blockchain. The second one is supporting automated payments on Soneium. The third one is the fraud detection on the transaction hashes from Soneium. The fourth one is risk assessment on invoices and bills. And the fifth one is dispute resolution on Soneium transactions. So Omnica supports all these five functionalities. To build all the five functionalities, what we did is we built an architecture where the transactions are taken, and whenever there is a payout to be done, we have done a multi-agent system which can check the ledger balance, validate, and then post on Selenium. And then after all the payments are done, we could also have automated payments or monthly installments, couple of agents which are monitoring and doing the payments autonomously. And then for the fraud detection and risk analyzer, we leverage machine learning algorithms using fraud detection algorithms based on the historical patterns and based on the location patterns, etc., and built four agents which can do the fraud detection and making the whole accountancy transparent. And also we have built a dispute resolution module which will ensure that if there are disputes, can we give it back to the customer on the blockchain itself, so that we have a end-to-end cash transparency. We have built a total of 14 agents to achieve the purposes: 3 for ensuring transactions, 2 for the automated payouts and installments, 7 for the fraud detection and risk mitigation, and 2 agents for dispute resolution. All this is powered by Soneium, Sequence, Goat AI, Startail's cloud services, and Python as the language. Let us see the D app in action. We have built an application using Web 2 and Web 3 technologies. So this is our landing page where users can register and provide the Soneium addresses as well as partners. So all the partners in the medical industry and the users can register themselves using Soneium. And we have enabled all this on the Startail Cloud Services Soneium testnet for all the testing of our code and to build up this medical application. So all these applications is live right now, and we have done so many transactions. You could verify any of this transaction on the Soneium testnet. Now, if you want to do a new transaction, let's say you want to pay your medical bill or you want to have some consultation fees, etc. So you could transfer it via Soneium. So I could do one more transfer for the sake of testing. So let's say I initiate my transfer. I can go to MetaMask for the consultation. So it has come here unapproved. I can click on it and say confirm, and it has been pending. It's confirmed now. So we are able to trigger all the API and it's confirmed now, and the transaction shows up on our screen also. So we have taken multiple transactions and we have done some fraud analytics also. All this data is from the transactions which we have done. And also if you want to perform some automatic payments on Soneium, so we have developed the screen where you could trigger some automated payments with a calendar and So you could select all the time and date. So all the agents work here for that automated payments. And we also have got, so if the customer wants to raise a dispute, you could put a dispute and you could say which partner and who is the recipient and the address, and you can raise a dispute and the money could get back once the dispute is approved. So we have created this dispute form also. And all this code is powered by most of our agents in using Autogen and other agentic frameworks. We have developed the code. Thank you. Let me show our code on the agents which we have developed. There's multiple lines of code and multiple applications running, but just wanted to run through the agents. So there are multiple agents we have developed, and all the agents leverage Autogen as orchestration framework along with Goat AI for some of the modules. So here you could see the code where some of these services we are triggering on agents and using them. So we also the agents built in Python and we leveraged API calls. So this is the one which is doing the transaction API. So execute Soneium payment. Here you could see that we are passing that amount and all the details, and it is this agent is executing to do the transaction, and we visualized it on the. So this is the agent which is getting all the data from Soneium chain and getting all. Thank you for providing us the opportunity in building an idea and a wonderful D app that can make the medical industry more secure. Thank you.